Yes. So let's get started. Good morning and welcome everyone. We are working on Maths 2 coordinate geometry, and let's begin with some revision first. Okay, so this is the short summary of this lesson. It has axis, origin, it has information about axis, origin, quadrant, coordinates of a point in a plane, how to plot a point, line parallel to x-axis, line parallel to y-axis, how to find their equations, and then how to graph equations. Okay, it seems that there is a big lag and I am on the third slide, but I see that it's the second slide being displayed. Yeah. Okay. So here you could see on this slide the horizontal axis, that is the x-axis, the vertical axis, that is the y-axis, and then the plane is broken into 4 parts which are called as quadrant, right? So each part is called as quadrant, and these are the names of quadrant: quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is the speciality about the signs in each quadrant? For first quadrant, both the signs are positive. For second quadrant, first sign is negative, second sign is positive. For third quadrant, both the signs are negative, and for fourth quadrant, first sign is negative, a positive and a negative. Okay. Yes. So the slide is showing up at your end now. Okay. So I hope it looks good now. All right. So that's how those are the 4 quadrants and the respective signs. Okay, then how to find coordinates of a point in a plane? So always start with looking for the x first and then the y. X is 2 here and y is 3. So writing x first always and then y. Always starting with x first and then y. Likewise, if you see q here, q has the x coordinate to be -3 and y coordinate to be 2, like that. Then we saw these questions. What are the coordinates of point E, F, G, T, like that? Let us say, what are the coordinates of point G? So starting with the x coordinate, that is -4, and then the y coordinate -2. So -4 and -2, those are the coordinates. Okay. I still see there is a lag. Okay, let's proceed. So that's the next slide, which says let's remember. And what are we looking at here? We are looking at the y coordinate of every point on the x-axis. So the x-axis, any point on the x-axis will be of the form x comma 0. It will have some value of x and the y will be 0. So always the y coordinate will be 0. And then the second rule here is about the coordinates of y-axis. How do the coordinates of y-axis look like? Since it's the y-axis, so there will be the y coordinate, but x coordinate will be 0. So 0 comma y. So the x coordinate will always be 0. And what are the coordinates of the origin? The coordinates of origin are 0 comma 0.